In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign document for signature in just 5 minutes. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll feel confident creating these digital documents on your own. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the DocuSign website. This platform is widely recognized as a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, providing secure and efficient solutions for all your document signing needs. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, you'll see the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend setting one up. It only takes a few minutes and then you'll be ready to log in. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the DocuSign home. This will serve as your dashboard or main hub for all things DocuSign. From here you can access various functionalities, but today we're focused on sending a document for signature. Look for the Start button, which is usually prominently displayed, and click on it. This initiates the process of creating a new document. The next step is to upload the document you want to send for signature. You'll see an option labeled Upload, which you should click to select the document file from your computer. Whether it's a PDF, Word document, or any other supported file type, select it and let it upload onto the platform. Once the document is uploaded, the screen will guide you to add documents. This option is particularly helpful if you need to include multiple files. Just click on it and repeat the process until you've added everything necessary. Now it's time to decide who will be signing your document. Look for the Add Recipient button. Clicking this allows you to enter the email address of the person required to provide their signature. You can add more than one recipient if needed. The final touch is to include a personalized message by clicking on Add Message. It's always a good idea to give your recipients some context or instructions, such as a deadline or specifics they should focus on, which can make the signing process clearer for them. With all these steps completed, your document is now ready to be sent out for signatures. Just review all the details to ensure accuracy, then proceed to finalize the sending process. You've just learned how to streamline the process of getting documents signed electronically, saving time and increasing efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was easy to follow. See you in the next tutorial.